Hello everyone, Christine McKee here from the Emerging Technology team. Let's take a closer look at how students can access their group or topics with a join code or a QR code on flipgrid.com. So I'm going to start by going to flipgrid.com, and here in the center of the screen I will see have a group join code. If I've got the group join code, I can simply paste that in and click the arrow to proceed to the group. If I have a QR code, I can simply click on the QR code button, and when that loads, I can scan my QR code to be taken to my group. All right, let's take a closer look at what students see and how they interact with groups and topics. So this is inside the group ECSD Demo Flipgrid Updates. This is a group that my students have access to. And here I can see as a student that there are two topics. Notice that they are now in tile view. In other words, topics will appear as tiles. Now, notice that the Hello, I Am topic says add a video to start the conversation. That means that no one has added a video response to this topic yet. Daily check-ins, I can see that 2 members have added to this topic, and if I click, I can go inside the topic to see more information. So as I was saying, I can see that 2 of my classmates have added responses to the topic, but I can also see at the top, this is a moderated topic. So what this means is that these 2 classmates, the teacher has reviewed their videos and has activated them to go live inside the topic. Maybe more students have responded to this topic, but their videos might be hidden at this point in time, waiting for the teacher to review them and provide feedback. Other things we see inside this topic, we see the topic title, daily check-ins, and we see the topic prompt. In this case, directions and 2 questions that we will have to answer when we add our response. We can also see that the teacher has added topic media, in this case an emoji, and a file that we can interact with. Typically, the teacher will provide instructions for what to do with the attachments in the topic prompt. Now, to support all learners in being able to access Flipgrid topics, Flipgrid has integrated Immersive Reader into all topics. So if I click on the Immersive Reader button, this is going to bring the text of the topic prompt inside of Immersive Reader. This is going to allow me to press play to have this text read out loud to me. Notice that I can change the voice settings by slowing it down or speeding it up. I can also choose from a female or a male voice. And then I would simply click play to have this read out loud to me. But notice that Immersive Reader is so much more powerful than just a simple text-to-speech tool. Notice that I can click on text preferences and I can adjust the text size for readability. Notice that increased spacing by default is turned on, but I could always turn that off. Let's turn it back on. I can change the font from Calibri to Sitka to Comic Sans. And to support my accessibility to the text itself, I can change the theme to high contrast themes. If I go to grammar options, notice that I can break words into their syllables. I can also identify words as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, and turn on labels. Under reading preferences, I can turn on line focus. And so this will narrow my view so that I'm focusing on one line at a time. I have a picture dictionary built in. So when I click on words, I will see images to help me better understand the word itself. And notice that there's also a translate feature built into reading preferences. I can choose from over 70 languages, and I can choose to have the text translated by word or by the entire document. When I click document, notice that it has translated this text for me. If I were to click play, this would be read aloud to me, in this case in Spanish. Let's go back to our topic. And again, now that I've viewed this topic, when I'm ready, I would just simply add a response to launch the Flipgrid camera to share my voice and respond to the topic. In our next video, we're going to take a closer look at how students can record a basic response using the Flipgrid camera and some of its main features to record responses to topics in groups.